Welcome to video 3, The Importance of Personal Budgeting. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover why managing your money is not just smart, it's empowering. Imagine your budget as your very own treasure map, guiding you through the twists and turns of financial responsibility. Much like a pirate captain plotting a course to hidden treasure, a budget helps you navigate towards your dreams and aspirations. With each step you take, your map becomes clearer, showing you the way to financial freedom and the fulfillment of your goals. Having a budget is akin to wielding a powerful tool. It empowers you in numerous ways. Firstly, it allows you to control your spending habits so you can save for things that truly matter to you. Whether it's saving up for that new skateboard, funding a future adventure, or even contributing to a family vacation. Think of your budget as the wind in your sails, propelling you forward with purpose and direction. Without a budget, you might feel like you're drifting aimlessly, but with it, you have a clear path to follow. Secondly, a budget enables you to prepare for unexpected storms, like surprise expenses or emergencies, by building up your savings. It's like having a sturdy ship that can weather any financial challenge. When unexpected costs arise, you won't be thrown off course. Instead, you'll be ready to handle them with ease. Let's break down what a budget encompasses. Firstly, there's income, the money you earn from chores, allowances, or gifts. Picture your income as the treasure you collect along your journey. It's the starting point of your adventure, the resources you gather to help you achieve your goals. Then, there are fixed expenses, regular payments like subscriptions or contributions towards household bills. These are your steady anchors, keeping your financial ship stable. Fixed expenses are predictable, like the stars you navigate by at night, ensuring you stay on course. Next, there are variable expenses, spending that fluctuates, such as treats, entertainment, or new toys. These are the waves on your journey, sometimes gentle, sometimes rough, but always manageable with careful planning. Variable expenses require you to be adaptable, adjusting your sales to stay on track. Lastly, there's savings, the treasure chest where you stash coins for future adventures or to help your family when they need it most. Savings are the ultimate reward, the gold you accumulate to secure your future and achieve your dreams. Creating a budget is like drawing a map of your financial world. You start by listing all the money you receive and then record every expense, whether it's a snack at school, a new video game, or a movie night with friends. By subtracting your expenses from your income, you'll discover how much you have left to save or spend on other things. It's like counting the jewels you've found along your journey and deciding how many you'll keep for yourself and how many you'll share with others. This process helps you see exactly where your money is going and how you can adjust your spending to meet your goals. There are many ways to create a budget. You can use apps like Mint or a NAB, which act like wise advisors, guiding you on the best financial paths. These apps offer insights and reminders, making sure you stay on track with your financial plans. Alternatively, spreadsheets such as Excel or Google Sheets are like magical scrolls where you can record your financial discoveries and watch your savings grow. Spreadsheets allow you to customize your budget, tracking every detail of your financial journey. Even a simple notebook can serve as your personal journal, detailing your financial adventures and the lessons you've learned along the way. Writing down your income and expenses by hand can give you a tangible sense of control and accountability. Imagine you receive $20 each week. If you spend $5 on snacks and $10 on games, you'll have $5 left for savings or a special treat next week, like a surprise outing with friends or saving up for that coveted toy. Remember to set aside a portion for unexpected adventures, like when you need new shoes or want to surprise someone with a gift. This practice of setting aside money for both expected and unexpected expenses ensures that you are always prepared, no matter what comes your way. Budgeting success stories abound. Consider Maria, who struggled with managing her bills until she diligently tracked her expenses and prioritized savings. Maria's journey began with a simple realization. She was spending more than she earned. By creating a budget, she could see exactly where her money was going and make adjustments. She cut back on unnecessary expenses and started saving a little each month. Over time, her savings grew, and she could finally pay off her debts and enjoy financial peace of mind. Now, she enjoys financial peace of mind and can afford treats without stress. Then there's John, who saved a bit each week despite modest earnings. Over time, his savings grew, enabling him to fulfill his dreams of travel and adventure. John's story shows that even small, consistent savings can lead to significant rewards. By sticking to his budget, he was able to transform his financial situation and live the life he always wanted. Let's explore a few practical steps to create and maintain an effective budget. First, gather all your financial information, your income, expenses, and any debts or savings. This is like collecting all the pieces of your treasure map. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed expenses might include rent, utilities, and transportation, while variable expenses could be groceries, entertainment, and dining out. This categorization helps you see where you have flexibility and where you need to be more disciplined. Now, list your income sources and subtract your total expenses from your income. If you find that your expenses exceed your income, it's time to make adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back, like eating out less or finding cheaper entertainment options. This process is like fine-tuning your map, ensuring you stay on the right path. Using tools to manage your budget can make the process more efficient and enjoyable. Budgeting apps provide real-time updates and insights, helping you stay on track and make informed decisions. Spreadsheets offer flexibility and customization, allowing you to create a budget that fits your unique needs. Even a simple notebook can be a powerful tool, giving you a tangible sense of control over your finances. Choose the method that works best for you and stick with it. Overcoming common challenges is a crucial part of budgeting. Unexpected events can throw you off course, but setting aside an emergency fund can help you stay afloat. This fund is like a safety net, providing financial security in times of need. Spending temptations are another challenge. It's easy to overspend when faced with attractive offers or peer pressure, but keeping your goals in mind can help you resist. Remind yourself why you're budgeting and what you hope to achieve. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget is also essential. As your financial situation changes, so should your budget. This flexibility ensures that you stay on track and continue to make progress towards your goals. Inspirational quotes can provide motivation and perspective as you embark on your budgeting journey. Dave Ramsey once said, "A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went." This quote highlights the proactive nature of budgeting, taking control of your finances rather than letting them control you. Robert Kiyosaki reminds us that it's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. This emphasizes the importance of saving and investing wisely. T.D. Munger's words, "The habit of saving is itself an education. It fosters every virtue, teaches self-denial, cultivates the sense of order, trains to forethought, and so broadens the mind." Speak to the broader benefits of budgeting. It teaches discipline, planning, and long-term thinking. Real-life examples further illustrate the power of budgeting. Sarah, a recent college graduate, found herself overwhelmed by student loans and credit card debt. By creating a meticulous budget, she allocated a portion of her income to debt repayment while maintaining a modest lifestyle. Within a few years, Sarah cleared her debts and started saving for retirement, achieving financial peace of mind. Her story shows that even in challenging situations, a budget can provide a path to financial stability and success. In conclusion, a budget isn't just about money. It's about empowerment and achieving your dreams. It's your tool to navigate life's financial seas, ensuring you're prepared for smooth sailing and unexpected storms alike. So, embrace the adventure of budgeting, create your own financial map, and watch as it leads you to discover the treasures of financial freedom and security. Remember, in the video description below, you'll find a template to help you create your own budget. Happy budgeting, and may your financial adventures be as rewarding as they are exciting.